Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to trade gold using CNBC. First, you'll want to navigate to CNBC Commodities section to find the latest gold prices and market news. Pay close attention to their expert commentary, which often highlights key factors influencing gold's value, like interest rate changes or geopolitical events. This initial step helps you grasp the current market sentiment and identify any significant trends before making trading decisions. Once you're familiar with the basics, dive deeper into CNBC charting tools. These visual aids are crucial for spotting trends and potential reversals. For instance, a consistent upward trend might signal a good buying opportunity, while a sharp decline could indicate a selling point. Remember to cross-reference these charts with the news headlines to understand the why behind the price movements, giving you a more complete picture. With your analysis complete, it's time to consider execution. While CNBC provides the insights, you'll need a separate brokerage account to actually place trades. Many platforms offer gold in various forms, like ETFs or futures. Always set clear entry and exit strategies, including stop-loss orders to limit potential losses and take-profit orders to secure gains. Continuously check CNBC for any breaking news that might impact your open positions. Finally, effective risk management is paramount in gold trading. Never invest more than you can comfortably afford to lose, perhaps starting with just 1 or 2% of your trading capital. Continuously educate yourself by following CNBC expert panels and interviews. Their insights are invaluable for adapting your strategy. Remember, the market is dynamic, so staying informed is key to long-term success. Also, for a fresh car, check the description for a link to Little Trees, Black Ice, and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.